Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a Cosmonaut. So this was originally created by the late Sasha Petraske. I believe this was having a dig at the popular Cosmo. This is a gin-based variation. For those who aren't aware of the original Cosmo, which is now referred to as the 1934 Cosmo, check it out there. It's a gin-based version, and it's much better than a Cosmo that most people know, or a Cosmopolitan. The one that's been popularised in Sex and the City. This could be seen as a bit of a twist on a breakfast martini, substituting the marmalade with raspberry jam. 3 ingredient cocktail. This is super simple. So let's start off with, the recipe does call for a London dry gin. I'm using the Splendid Gin's distillers cut, so this sits at 50%. It's going to definitely stand up to the acidity in this cocktail. So 60 ml, 2 ounces. And we've got 30 ml of fresh lemon juice. I also get asked quite a lot about this particular citrus press. You can find a link in the description below. So 30 ml, 1 ounce fresh lemon juice, and 3 teaspoons or barspoons of raspberry jam. This particular one, if you're in Australia, no doubt you'll recognise it. This is from Birrenberg, which is a South Australian producer. They make all kinds of products, but they've got a strawberry farm, which is in Hahndorf, not too far away from me. Easy, 3 ingredients, add some ice, give it a shake. And I'm double straining this one because it's going to have quite a few little raspberry pips. It's surprising when you actually see photos of cocktails online and you realise how much they've actually doctored them. I don't like that. I don't like doctoring my photos. If you see some of the photos of this particular cocktail online, it literally is the colour of the raspberry jam. It's like this bright, deep, dark red, but it's actually a light peach kind of colour, so it looks kind of nice. For a garnish, you can put a raspberry on the side, lemon twist, both if you want to. I'm going to use a dehydrated citrus. There you have the Cosmonaut. So as I said, this was a creation of Sasha Petraske. I think that's how you pronounce it. I believe he was actually the mentor of Michael Madrusin, who's the owner of the Everly in Melbourne, and he's also the author of A Spot at the Bar, which is one of my favourite cocktail books. I've got quite a few, but this is one of them. And the fact that it's Australian as well is really cool. I'll leave a link to that in the description below as well. Cheers.
Are you going to drink it?
Yeah, I'm just breathing.
Oh.
Let me breathe. I didn't breathe that paragraph. That is super tasty. It does remind me of a breakfast martini, just with, it's got that little bit more tartness to it because of the raspberries. That's delicious. That's super tasty. And I 100% know that my wife hiding behind the camera is going to absolutely love this. It's not going to last long. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell button, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.